The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where you watch. Dancehall.
You can make this difficult, or you can make it technical. Put your hand in right here. Take your hand from, put your hand behind your head. Yeah. Put your hand behind your head. Step back. What are you doing? Step out. Step out. Green field. Step away. Green field.
Anything you want, Star. Boom. Hello.
Jesus speaker. You must have mad somebody. I'm going to papers them. They don't think me never a badge. And they go charge me for that. And they go tell me to step out so I'm going to never have a uniform. No clothes me now. Me now go to my vehicle man now. They kill me like this. I'm telling you that. Me say you don't have a sick. You have to kill me like this. Hey, lock the door.
Drive off.
Come in. Drive. Give me up to know this area, man. I want to know. Yo, give me a last time to paper them. But I'm not keep them then.
Hot, daddy, hot. So cool. Hot.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla, and I want to say big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, viewers and subscribers, I just presented a video to you that shows of a person that is considered to be a taxi operator in somewhat of a disagreement with police officers. And if you look, there is also persons that is considered to be transport authorities there. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, and this video is out on social media where some people are saying that the police officer didn't deal with the situation with a certain amount of respect, and some persons are saying that the police officer did a good job. You see what I'm saying to you? Now, viewers and subscribers, there's some things I want to point out in this video. You see what I'm saying to you? Now, viewers and subscribers, based on my understanding from what I've seen in this video, it seems as if something was wrong with the taxi operator's documents or papers for operating that vehicle, right? And based on my understanding of what I've seen in the video, it seems as if the taxi operator had drove off, leaving the documents for the vehicle with the authorities. It seems as if they were going to seize the vehicle. Now, please bear in mind that a lot of videos that is out on social media only shows of what had happened at a certain point of a certain situation. It didn't show what happened before or after, right? So you have to think before you say certain things or judge, you see me? But there's one thing I want to say. You see what I'm saying to you? Please comply with the law. And I'm saying this out of the best of interest. I'm not saying this to disrespect anyone. I'm just giving the best advice that I see, you see me? If there's something wrong with your paperwork, you have no one to blame but yourself. You get what I'm saying to you? However, if there's nothing wrong with your paperwork and the police officers or transport authorities are trying to arrest you for that, then don't try and do things by acting on your own or take matters in your own hands. You know what I mean? Just don't resist arrest. Just comply with the law, and then you can resolve that issue in the court of law. You get what I'm saying to you? So listen what I'm saying. I know that there's times where police officers do things out there that is bad. You know what I mean? Yes, you have bad police and you have good police, but resisting arrest is only going to let things be worse for you. You get what I'm saying to you? Yeah. So don't resist, don't assault, don't be vulgar and all these things, right? Because at the end of the day, even if there's nothing wrong with the paperwork, those things that happened where you resist arrest or you might assault the officer might become the problem that let you end up getting charged or spending time. You get what I'm saying to you? So I'm telling you this out of the best of interest. That's what I'm saying to you? Yeah. Now, all of what I've said to you is based on what I've seen in the video and my understanding of the video. And you can also tell me what you think. You can tell me if I'm wrong or I'm right. You see me? And that's just my opinion. Alright? Yeah. Alright. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, this is where I leave it. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. They have to keep you up to date and post it and make you know what I want. So until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see?